Hey, it's Dr. John St. John, and I'm here to talk to you about back pain. So many patients have come into my office over the past 18 years with back issues, and I've corrected probably hundreds at this point. And I want to talk to you about chiropractic and why it's so effective. So here's a spine. This is the back of you. This is the front of you. This is the lumbar spine, that lower portion of the spine. And if you look at these nerves, you can see these nerves are coming out of these little holes. These little holes, it's called a foramen. And you can see the top portion of the hole is made up of this vertebra or this bone, and the bottom portion is made up of this bone. See that right there? And so what happens is when these vertebrae get out of alignment, okay, that's going to change that hole, and that's going to cause a little irritation to this nerve. So what we do in chiropractic to release that irritation is we perform a chiropractic manipulation or adjustment to realign that to take the stress or pressure off the nerve. And I can't tell you how many times I've done an adjustment and there's immediate relief for patients. So if you have a back issue, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email back. I'm here to help if you need me. If it's more of a chronic degenerative condition where there's an arthritis situation going on down here, what that entails is usually the disc. See, there's a vertebra, here's the disc. That disc gets degenerative, gets a little dehydrated, starts to lip out, and that causes shrinkage here, where that will also cause a shrinkage of this hole, this foramen. So what happens then is this nerve has less wiggle room. But there are still things that we can do, even if you have an arthritic condition. I strongly encourage you to try chiropractic first before drugs or surgery, because this is a painless, extremely effective, in most cases, way of handling back issues. I hope this helped you today. Take care. Yours in good health, Dr. St. John.